let's give a warm welcome to Bina Amanat.
You may have heard that AI is going to replace humans. But to paraphrase Mark Twain, the stories of our extinction are widely exaggerated. Hi, I'm Bina Amanat. For the past 30 years, believe it or not, I've been at the decision-making table for some of the largest technology advances we've seen in our lives. The internet, wireless, IoT, big data, and now AI. I also get to be a mother to two amazing young men, one in college and one in high school. Now, my youngest son is a very talented artist. Art does run in our family. Somehow it skipped me. So as a scientist, I'm always amazed at his artistic skills and fascinated by the work that he does. As he's in high school, like any parent, we're helping him figure out what he should study in college. Till the past few years, it was supposed to be graphic design. It aligns with his talent, his skill set, and there is value in the market for a profession like that. But, as you probably know, a new kind of AI came along, generative AI. You've probably all talked to it. It sounds just like a human, right? But from a graphic design perspective, it also creates art that seems to be created by a very talented human being. And now suddenly, graphic design doesn't seem a viable profession. Maybe a hobby, but not a profession. That's hard to hear. I work in technology, and pessimism is not the right path forward for AI and humanity. And I do think there is an optimistic view. As parents, we want our children to have fulfilling work aligned with their talent and their skill set, to really tap into what they inherently have. So I think there is a more optimistic perspective, which I would like to share with all of you today. Intuitively, it makes sense, but it's also based a lot on my experiences working with AI in a variety of industries. I think my hypothesis is that human content, human creativity will have more value than any technology-created content or art. Hear me out. We are in a period of change. There is intense technological change happening around us. It's complex, it's confusing, it's fast, and things are moving every day, right? The rules and applications of AI are not well defined. But eventually, this change will evolve and settle down where we'll find that new paradigm, a new way of life where humans and AI and machines work together effectively. So, I do think when that happens, human creativity will have way more value. Let me give you an example. Consider a parallel, the Louvre Museum has some of the over 500,000 amazing art pieces on site. Over the years, it was digitized, and now you can see that art anywhere that you have a screen. You would think museums are dead, right? Why go see it in person when you can see it in the palm of your hand? But that's not the same experience. When you go and stand in front of a centuries-old painting, you almost put yourself in that artist's shoes. You can feel their humanity in the brush strokes. In fact, seeing the real thing becomes even more momentous when you actually have access to it in a digital format. Human-created art actually has more value than the digital approximation of it. We'll see this evolving over the next few years in a number of areas. Consider the area of social media. Today, any social media platform is inundated with AI-created content, text, images, graphics, you name it, and also AI-promoted content to drive more clicks. I think in the future, we may have a social media platform where you actually subscribe to a model where you are guaranteed every content that you see is human-created or human-approved, and there's no AI-promoted content. It will actually drive a better experience. Think about online search. Today, you see AI summarize news articles or chatbot created essays flooding your online search results. In the future, there could be a premium that could guarantee you an AI-free search results. You will see something that has been validated by a human being. Now, of course, it will take time. Or think about cinema. Will we have the same emotional experience when we are watching a movie that is done completely by AI-generated actors? Will you have the same kind of emotion, knowing that AI-created character has never experienced joy or grief? In fact, it doesn't even know what being a human means. Or would you put more value in a movie which has real human actors with their flaws and their quirks? So we'll see this all evolving over a period of time. But here's the challenge we have in the short term. Every talent has to be nurtured with education, learning, and experiences. If we start following the AI narrative that human creativity is out the door, we might lose talented artists, writers, poets, authors, as they are not pursuing in developing their talents. It is up to us to preserve those pathways towards learning and growing and nurturing the inherent talent that humans are born in. And we have an obligation to fundamentally believe that human creativity is going to thrive. Another example that comes to mind as to how this might play out, think about chess. Do you remember in 1997 when Garry Kasparov had that iconic matchup and AI beat Garry Kasparov, one of the greatest chess players of our time? I distinctly remember it, and it felt like that AI checkmated us, humans, at a game that we created 1,500 years ago. What was the point in playing chess if AI was going to beat us every time? You would think chess is dead. But that's not what happened. Chess is thriving now more than ever before. There are online tournaments, championships, games. There are entire platforms dedicated to chess and a huge audience focused on chess. AI is still a part of the equation. The human players use AI to compete and improve their skills by working with AI, by competing and learning, fine-tune their skill set. And then they go and play with other real human players to have the real fun. AI did not beat us at chess. It was a completely different scenario. But think back in 1997, how many talented chess players assumed that chess would not thrive and did not nurture that talent? So we are at this point in time right now where creatives are wondering whether there is value in pursuing an education, an experience, a job in writing or writing poetry or creating art, because there is a broad narrative that human creativity is out the door. So to all the artists, to all the writers, to all of you, I would urge that hold on to your dreams, hold on to your humanity. The changes will settle down, and humans will still be at the center of our story. At the end of the day, it will come down to human talent and creativity to tell our story. The question, as it always has been, will be, what human story are you going to tell with your talent and creativity? That's a question no AI could answer.